How can I do a line break, line continuation, in Python? Given. How do I write the above in 2 lines?
What is the line? You can just have arguments on the next line without any problems. Otherwise you can do something like this. Or with explicit line break. Check the style guide for more information. Using parentheses, your example can be written over multiple lines. The same effect can be obtained using explicit line break. Note that the style guide says that using the implicit continuation with parentheses is preferred, but in this particular case just adding parentheses around your expression is probably the wrong way to go.
From Pip 8, Style Guide for Python Code. The preferred way of wrapping long lines is by using Python's implied line continuation inside parentheses, brackets and braces. Long lines can be broken over multiple lines by wrapping expressions in parentheses. These should be used in preference to using a bar. For example, long, multiple with statements cannot use implicit continuation, so bar. Another such case is with assert statements. Make sure to indent the continued line appropriately. The preferred place to break around a binary operator is after the operator, not before it. Some examples. Pip 8 now recommends the opposite convention for breaking at binary operations, used by mathematicians and their publishers to improve readability. Donald Knuth's style of breaking before a binary operator aligns operators vertically, thus reducing the eye's workload when determining which items are added and subtracted. From Pip 8, should a line break before or after a binary operator? Donald Knuth explains the traditional rule in his Computers and Typesetting series. Although formulas within a paragraph always break after binary operations and relations, displayed formulas always break before binary operations. 3. Following the tradition from mathematics usually results in more readable code. In Python code, it is permissible to break before or after a binary operator, as long as the convention is consistent locally. For new code, Knuth's style is suggested. 3. Donald Knuth's The Textbook, pages 195 and 196.
The danger in using a backslash to end a line is that if whitespace is added after the backslash, which, of course, is very hard to see, the backslash is no longer doing what you thought it was. See Python idioms and anti-idioms for Python 2 or Python 3 for more.
Put a at the end of your line or enclose the statement in parens, ... From IBM. Or